Hello everyone, I'm teacher Joey. I am deaf individual. I navigate the hearing world with cochlear implanted system. I am someone living challenging life with Asperger's syndrome. I hold a bachelor degree in mathematics education and a master of science in IT management, and was awarded a doctor of design in creative multimedia. For over 28 years, I've been a special needs teacher in various schools across Malaysia, and I currently teaching multimedia design and English communication at SMKSS 17. Beyond my classroom, I'm committed to training and coaching my fellow educators on leveraging AI and technology in education. My motto as an educator is creative, innovative, alternative, and empowering. Alright, let's go. Log in Delima ID, check in Google Drive, click plus new, go down, click Google Sites. You are creating a new Google Sites. Next, choose theme from your right panel, named your Google Sites. For example, Hopebox Terrarium Project, choose the navigation with top mode. Then upload your site's logo and favicon. Next, create the pages. It is also your navigation buttons, such as Home, About Us, and so on. You need to decide your pages, each page, place a header, upload the header and choose the header type, such as cover, large banner or banner, and just a title only. Review your navigation at top mode. One header image also can be used for all the pages. After define your pages, now is the time to construct your pages contents. You can choose input texts, images, embed content such as YouTube video, or any PDF, Google Doc, slides, sheets, forms, and chart as the contents in your pages, and there are content block lasso at the right panel. Just choose it, input the content, such as upload the images on the related texts. You can adjust the content layout by drag and drop the content until it was placed in your pages nicely. I want to highlight it 80 pages. Better input text as title or heading or subheading, and then the normal texts as reading contents. The page's layout followed the structure by the content block. You can input image carousel as well for at least 3 images according to you pages and depending the information that you want to input in the pages. Next, construct your footer. My suggestion, input the copyright icon, years, and your site's name. Place at the bottom left. The social media can be placed at the bottom right. Then at the contact pages, you can input the Google Maps. Just click the Maps, then input your school address. Your school location appeared in your pages. Adjust the layout, make the maps look nicely. Then finally, mock up and checking every pages. The content, the input information. Last steps, we gonna publish the Google Sites. Set the Google Sites to public. That means everybody with the link address can access to you Google Sites. Get a good Google Sites link name, then click publish at the right upper corner. Then done. You have successfully create a co-curricular Google Sites for your school. Congratulations.